Hey, Process Pros. I'm starting a new series where anytime I use Puzzle's MCP to make a critical decision or record a specific change in my process or my tech stack, I'm just going to record it. And I'm just going to record the prompting that I do, record and narrate kind of the thinking that I'm doing as I'm using Puzzle's MCP to make really important operational decisions. So let's go ahead and go through this use case. So this use case is a pretty big use case because Puzzle is on Intercom's early stage year one discounts. And Intercom's early stage program is like a 3-year program where over time, let's see if I can get the visual here. You can see at the top, early stage program, year one, you get 93% off of Intercom, but you then bump up to 50% off on year two, bump down to 50% off, and then year three, 25% off. So you begin to pay, full price for Intercom, and it can get very, very expensive. So if I come over to this update subscription tab, you'll see that my bill will go from whatever it was, like $69 up to $451 per month. That's a considerable jump. I could just downgrade into the Essentials plan and use 2 seats here because I believe this plan right here, the minimum is 6 seats, whereas this is purely seat based on the Essentials plan. So what I did is I clicked this button here called Review Features, and I looked at all of the features. I took a screenshot, actually. Not a screenshot, a clean shot. If you don't use screenshot, I would recommend it. You can come here, you can go to scrolling capture and scroll and get a full picture of this entire thing. And what I did is, I already took this, so I don't really need it, is I uploaded it to Claude, and I prompted Claude to do this. I said, so my Intercom plan is going up quite a bit right now. It's $69, and it's going up to $450 because I'm part of their early stage year one discount. Eventually, it'll go to 25% off in 2027, but I actually don't think I need the plan. I think I could switch to Essentials plan. I'm going to give you the feature comparison, and what I want you to do is do a deep dive into my Puzzle workspace and look at all of the places where I'm using Intercom in my operation and determine whether or not it's safe for me to downgrade into the Essentials plan without losing any functionality that I currently use in my operation. I'm going to use Opus 4.8, and I'm going to keep this as high because I want Claude to take its time. Go get all of the steps. There's like over 2,000 steps in my workspace to look at every single way that we use Intercom. And if I go to my workspace, I think let's go see how many ways I use Intercom. So I use Intercom in 273 steps. Imagine doing this research and having other people responsible for the steps that they created. You'd have to call an org-wide meeting for everyone who's ever configured Intercom to make this decision. But luckily, I have Puzzle, and I have Puzzle documentation. So I can just ask the AI to traverse all of my documentation and go find ways that might conflict with this decision. So I'm going to pause it while it's waiting and, see what it says, and then we can come back and kind of figure out what the next steps are. Some other usage information here is like I have Fin outcomes. I used 44 in the last month. Both emails responded and messages sent to 891. So if I go back to billing over to update subscription, a point in detail here is that 99 cents per outcome. So that's an extra $40 on top of this. I'm still only around $120 compared to $450. So we'll see what Claude came back with here. Okay, so Claude went to the Puzzle workspace, listed the steps. It found 270 steps linked to Intercom. That's heavy, but for a downgrade decision, I don't need all 273. What matters is the distinct set of Intercom capability used across the operation. The image is dense. Oh, yeah, of course it's dense. It's referring to the image of the features that I sent it over. So let's go ahead and see. We can make it very tall. Now I can read it. I mean, the fact that Claude exists is just insane. Multiple team inboxes is a red flag. Slack integration is a red flag, and team routing is a red flag. Workflows for advanced automation and workflows for Fin. This is the heart of your operation. I see. Okay, so it looks like I can't downgrade to Essentials. I would break live automation. So the tier 1, tier 2 is really it's not required. Like I could deprecate those inboxes and we could live without it. Okay, fair enough. But for team routing, I mean, I really don't need team inboxes. Tier 1 and tier 2 is kind of overkill right now. It's just 2 people. Although I would need routing based on email address. So if someone emailed solutions@puzzleapp.io, it would go to me. If someone emailed support@puzzleapp.io, it would go to Jolly. I don't use Slack integrations or any of those integrations that you said, yeah, but it does look like I use Intercom workflows. So if I go over here, I think what they're referring to is series. So let me ask that question. When you say workflows, are you referring to like email series? All the email sequences are built out on series as opposed to workflow. For Fin workflows, I actually don't know if we use any Fin workflows. Let me check real quick. We do. We have 5 workflows right now. One of them is route customer conversation to the right team. One of them is ask for conversation rating. And then one of them is like the core Fin workflow. So if you're telling me that I can't build a Fin workflow at all, I mean, just this Fin workflow only assigns to tier 1 and tier 2 support. Sorry, tier 1 support and then assigns Jolly. There's got to be an easier way where I can and only assign someone, unless I need workflows to assign someone to a specific conversation automatically. Okay, a workflows is not an email series. A series, the multi-campaign builder, is its own feature line. Okay, so we get sequences. The visual automation builder. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's talking about Fin's workflow. So what's interesting here is you can see I'm not even in Puzzle because Puzzle is not really the place where I'm going to double check like the actual ins and outs of the system. Rather, I documented it so that AI has the context that it needs to help me have this conversation and point me in the right direction. The right conversation. Let's go here. Yeah, so this is a workflow. And I guess what I'm asking is, can I move this workflow elsewhere? Assignment rules. I'm going to make Claude just make a changelog entry with all of this context and all the rationale, and then I'll come back to it at a later date. But how long did this take? 13 minutes to audit a 273 step system. That's a core operating system within my operations, and determine whether or not I can make a decision on moving down and saving $350 per month or staying up and making that investment for specific functionality. So it's really unmatched. It's unmatched. I mean, an audit like this would take, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 hours on a larger team that doesn't have documentation because you need to verify with everyone who's inside of Intercom to determine whether or not this is a good decision, how you're using the system, and how to move forward. So lots and lots of time saving when you invest time into good documentation, which doesn't mean it's not even a huge investment of time anymore because Claude can just create your documentation for you inside of Puzzle. So I hope this helps. Cheers.